Hi, my name is Morgan Hughley, and I'm pursuing a master's in advertising and public relations with a concentration in marketing communications management. I'm actually originally from Atlanta, Georgia, and received my undergrad from the University of Georgia. So, as a big Dogs fan, I'm slowly adapting to saying Roll Tide. Actually, though, I moved to Boston 3 years ago for work, and I absolutely fell in love with the city. So that's where I am now. In terms of work, I most recently worked for a digital marketing agency as a PR account executive on their strategy team. However, with COVID, unfortunately, the company lost almost all of its clients, which was not great. So I ended up finding a new opportunity in house at a software company on a small marketing team of two. It was honestly one of the best moves for me. I'm now focused more on content writing and social media management, and since writing is one of my biggest passions, I'm definitely a lot happier where I am now. In 5 years' time, I hope to take what I've learned in my master's course to move up in the corporate ladder. I'm so lucky to have found exactly what I like to do, but I would one day love to also manage my own marketing department. But in order to do so, I know I need to strengthen my strategy and my analytics skills. So that's one of the reasons why I'm here and pursuing this degree. And then for the fun questions, in terms of brands that describe my personality, I would definitely start with Chewy. I have a dog named Honey. She's a Havapoo and is the love of my life. So I'm constantly ordering gifts for her on their website. Plus, I really like their marketing. They go the extra mile. They send out handwritten notes to me. They're addressed to Honey. They're personalized, and it's always really appreciated. So I definitely admire their marketing. So that's one of the companies I choose. The second brand I'd pick is Nike. Mostly because I'm in the gym a lot. I love yoga. I love cycling classes and those kind of things. And then also their catchphrase, just do it, is honestly something that I like to incorporate in my everyday life, whether it's, an assignment or a project at work. And then lastly, I actually am going to mention my own company. They're called ConnectPay, since I'm on their team and I help cultivate their brand. So they're a payroll software company, which sounds a little boring. I thought it was a little boring when I applied, but it's actually one of the most interesting jobs I've had. They really focus on helping people, specifically small business owners, who need help really now more than ever during these COVID times. So, as a writer on their marketing, I get to use the stories of small business owners and tell our own corporate story, which has been really fulfilling for me. I'm a very community-driven person, so ConnectPay actually their brand aligns perfectly with who I am as well. So that's a little bit about who I am, but I am so looking forward to learning more about you all. So thanks.